Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser latest version on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux 26.04, that is Firefox. Now go to Tor Browser official website, that is torproject.org. Then click on download Tor Browser or click on this download Tor Browser, both are same. Then click on download for Linux. See, download started and its size is 131 megabytes. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. ls, see here we have the zip file. We have to unzip it. tar-exf, then tar. Press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. Now go to this Tor Browser folder. ls. Now execute this .desktop file. Don't run this with sudo or root account. Just give ./start. Press the tab. Hit enter. See, we got the Tor Browser and see here the message. Connect to Tor. You want to connect always automatically. Just you need to turn on and click on connect. See, it is establishing connection. And verify the version. Help about Tor Browser. We have installed the Tor Browser version number 15.0.10. Close this one, and default search engine for Tor Browser is DuckDuckGo. If you want to on, just you need to turn on like this. If you don't want, turn off as it is. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.